Hi, let's talk about the Tesla killer, Lucid Air. I don't know if you guys heard, but Lucid Air came out with the car, a sedan that looks similar to Tesla, and it has a few things that's currently a little bit better than Tesla. It has 500-mile range. It has a faster charging capability than the Tesla. But is it really a Tesla killer? I'm gonna have to say absolutely not. It's not even close to Tesla. The speed is about the same. The looks are about the same. The price is Tesla sedan is about 80,000, where the Lucid is 170,000. So Tesla is coming out with the new motor on I think they're going to reveal it on battery day, where it's going to be probably faster and longer range. We're thinking over 600 miles. We'll see what happens in about a week after the Tesla unveiling. Okay, so am I worried about it? Is it a Tesla killer? I don't think it is. What do you guys think? Do you guys think people are going to pay $170,000 for a sedan that's just marginally better than Tesla's range, at least for now? I don't think they will. I don't think we will. Tesla is coming out with the new motor, which is going to be, I think, new battery, which is going to be over 600 miles. We'll find out. So it's coming out with the robo-taxi network, where everybody will be, as we've talked in our previous videos, you will not have to own a car at that point, because it'll be cheaper to use that Tesla robo-taxi, and it'll be very fast. Once that happens, it's going to be immediately, Tesla will be over $1 trillion company. For sure, it will hit over $1 trillion once it has the level 5 driving capability. All right, give me your thoughts. That's what I think. I hope you guys you guys didn't sell when it went down the other day. As you guys see, it went back up. I was at one time it was like 15% up today after hours. So yeah, I'm a holder. You guys have to decide if you guys are investors or traders. Remember, investors hold stocks for long term. If you're an investor, you do not sell when there's a dip. That's actually when you buy. All right, have a good one. Ciao.